Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Swing Wing Sing here with perhaps the last video of year 2024. Lucky to have survived one more year on planet Earth, and I hope it continues this way and I keep bringing you stuff and content that you like. But there's a problem. Now, I've noticed through some analytics that YouTube threw at me states that 92% of people who view my videos are not my subscribers. And the further irony is that my viewers are watching at least 5 minutes of my videos, but 86% of these viewers do not like my videos. Now, I'm putting in a lot of effort to bring these videos across, and I would definitely appreciate that if you're not liking the videos, you would definitely be kind enough to share some feedback on what more do you want to see or what better I could do. But that being said, it's just a request to everyone that if you're watching this video and you do like the content that I bring in, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, we have the final video of 2024. And today we are going to build, ooh, look at that. That is one huge box that I have here. And we've got the 1/48 scale ROKAF F-15K SLAM EAGLE. One of my favorite American jets is the F-15 Eagle, though of course I like the Strike Eagle configuration the best. But one of my very favorite fighters is the F-15. Ever since the A model came in, I've really loved the shape of the F-15, especially the initial A models and B models that came in. Very sleek looking aircraft, and that it's known to be the best conventional dogfighter present on planet Earth. And I do agree with it. It's a proven platform. First and second Gulf Wars have given enough exposures to the F-15s, including the Arab-Israeli wars. So one of my favorite fighter jets of American origin is the F-15 Eagle. And today we are going to take up a challenging build, which is the Republic of Korean Air Force F-15K SLAM EAGLE. Now, a bit of rummaging around on the ScaleMates site for Academy 12213 shows me the exact box art of the kit that I'm working on, and it also shows me 2009 changed ? Now, I further clicked on this, and it opens up the entire product timeline, and you can see that this kit was basically built in the 1990s with new parts, and it is an original 1989 tooling kit. But if I click on full history, you know, there's a revelation here. So I'm moving down across to where my actual kit is, if I can find it. Okay, right there is the kit that I'm working on, and tracing back the green line brings me to the 1990 kit, again by Academy. And further going down the history line, it shows me that the kit was a 1977 original tool by Revell. Now, it's a huge box. In fact, you know, I had to actually move my camera at least 8 to 10 centimeters to the right so that this entire box fits within the frame of the camera. And right now I am at the maximum frame width that my camera can give. So you can see that it's a huge box already. You can see it mentions here 50 years since 1969, academyhobby.com. So the Academy kit. Oh, look at that. Now this is the longer edge of the box, and you know, I'll have to literally drag it across to show you the entire contents of this side. So basically you have the ROKAF F-15K SLAM EAGLE. It says features accurate reproduction of the GE F-110 engine nozzles, AIM-9X, AIM-120C, JDAM, SLAM, ER, etc. Latest air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles included. So this is a, I would say, hot kit. especially as far as the weapons are concerned. Cartograph premium quality decal included. So another good thing is high quality decals from Cartograph. Moving across the edge, you see some cross-sectional drawings, images in fact, of the F-15K SLAM EAGLE. You see the squadron marking there, probably of the Republic of Korean Air Force. Moving across, one more cross-sectional image, and then the underside image with the weapons. Look at that, the box is almost moving outside the boundaries of my table. And then you've got a few more side profiles and front profile. So that's the longer edge of the box. I can't show you the shorter edge because there's not enough space on my table to take it across, but I'll move the camera aside and show you what's there on the shorter edge. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the other longer edge. So again, it says ROKAF F-15K SLAM EAGLE, the same information that we had. We've got 2 cross-sectional drawings, and we've got 10 languages in which they've mentioned a few details. It says contains 1 unassembled model kit and easy to follow pictorial instructions, paint and cement required to complete model as pictured on box. Kit suitable for ages 14 to adult, scale 1/48. Okay, moving across, then it says cement, glue, paint not included, so you'll have to buy that stuff for yourself for age 14 plus. Okay, so that's the longer edge covered, and let me give you a view of the shorter edge here. All right, so that's the shorter edge. It shows you the Academy logo here, kit number 12213. It's got the same box art that's there on the front, and then ROKAF F-15K SLAM EAGLE with the dimensions here, 405 mm, which is roughly 40 centimeters long by 11.5 centimeters high. So it's going to be a big kit once it gets built up. So without further ado, we've covered the box, and let's have a look at what's inside. All right, so here we go. The covers are off, and we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4 sprue bags, and I mentioned sprue bags, not sprues, so 4 sprue bags. Then we got the instruction sheet here, which is a foldable wide instruction sheet, and let's see, it's got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 16. So it says 16 steps, but I'm sure there might be much more than 16 steps to complete the entire kit. But overall, they've kind of split it into 16 different steps. Black and white instruction sheet with the entire sprue map given here. You've got all the sprues, so A, B, C, D. So you don't have sprue E. Okay, so you have F, H, and G. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sprues. So 8 sprues in all, and 1 sprue of crystal clear parts. That's that. There is something else here. Okay, so that's the paint and decal guide, and then we've got the amazingly printed Cartograph decal sheet. As you can see, it's got some beautiful details. Let me bring it close up. It's got some amazing details out there. As you can see, the numbers, lots of small decals. I don't know how many of them am I going to actually put on the aircraft. And then you have the empty box. So let's put the box aside. Okay, so first sprue bag, I would say. So we've got two sprues out here, and this is definitely the air intake assembly. You've got the cockpit assembly here. You can see it's pretty damn detailed. Of course, what do you expect? It's a 48 scale one. Lots of switches and stuff in there. Very, very happening cockpit. So that's going to be interesting to make. There's the instrument panel. Have a look at that. Very detailed front and rear instrument panels. So quite a lot happening there. This is the second sprue. It's got some sort of a weapon here. I don't know which one. Look at the size of that hard point. That is one huge hard point. Look at that. Another set of instrument panels. Now I don't know what's the difference between these and these, but we'll find out as we get further into the build. So that's sprue 1. Sprue bag 1 rather. Here's sprue bag 2. So you've got the fuselage. I'm not going to open this, but you've got the fuselage construction here, top and bottom. I think you've got the rudder, or is that the horizontal stabilizers? Looks like horizontal stabilizers. And then you've got the clear parts out here. Tell you what, let me open it up. Ooh. Okay, so that's the second sprue bag. It's getting totally messy on my table at this moment. These are such big sprues that I'm looking at this moment. So there's the second sprue. Of course, we've looked at the details already. The main purpose of opening up this was to have a look at the clear parts. So there we are. And those are the clear parts. This looks like the HUD, the entire canopy, the front windshield, crystal clear, but I see a seam line right down the center there. That is nasty. One more here. Look at that. Let me bring a further close up. That's one nasty seam line all along the length of the canopy and the length of the windshield as well. So this is going to need some huge amount of sanding and polishing work to get it to look clear enough. But anyway, so that's a challenge that I'm going to face with this one. Right. Here we go. This is the third sprue bag with another 2 sprues. The wing section here. We got the front fuselage section here. And I think this is the looks like the horizontal stabilizer. So what we were looking at in the previous sprue was, I think, the vertical stabilizer. But that's that. The next sprue bag. Ooh, loads of weapons. Loads and loads. And this has 3 sprues, in fact, inside it. There's one. Woo! You see that? Right underneath. It's going across the plastic. So there are 3 sprues in this. Got some engine details. We've got a lot of weapons. Those are the JDAMs. Those are the CFTs. And we got the AIM-120s, AIM-9Xs, wheels, lantern pods, or slammer pods rather. Very, very interesting. And look at those actuators. Let me bring that close up. It's got actuators there. Wow. That's going to be a real tough kit to build. I've never built kits that are that detailed, but we'll see how this goes. This is going to give me a challenge for the rest of December, I guess. But challenge accepted. Alrighty, so counting them all. 1, 2, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 sprues. Now that is a lot of plastic that I'm going to be working on. So if you like this video, as I said earlier, do click the like button, subscribe, and I am going to get to building this. Of course, the build video will not be out till the beginning of 2025, and that would be definitely the first video that you can expect in the next year. So I'll see you again in the next year. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.